And yeah, well, you can see the last two trades have just done $5,000, haven't they? So pretty nice little bit of business, right? So when we see what happened in here, of course, trying to call that that Nasdaq into the bottom edge wasn't as difficult when we saw the small candles, was it? You see that? Because until we see the small candles, we've only got big candles. And if we've only got big candles, it's going to be a hell of a lot more difficult to get into that as a long play. But when you see small candles and you see an imbalance coming in behind the small candles, then it makes life a lot easier just to get that easy money long, which you guys should be able to get. No problems. The oil short, similar. That's a long candle into the top. That's a smaller candle with a bit of Voltic. And then this is an insy little teeny weeny polka dot Voltic, the very top edge. And obviously, when we get into that polka dot Voltic at the top edge, it's nice to get a bit of short selling coming in. And sure enough, we've managed to swing a little roaster right from that top line price, haven't we? And again, it's just getting your Nash equilibrium to tell you something. It's about finding that Nash storyline that gives you the confidence to play out. Now, when you look at that sell trade at 68, that's just the price we showed you, wasn't it? It's not like we're doing anything that you didn't already know about. That was that short sell in there at 68, wasn't it? With the add-in that we talked about there. So that was our target price there for our first target price. And then, of course, we've just landed on the measured move, haven't we? So if we've gone from 70 to 20, that's 50 points. So the target price must be 70, correct? Target price must be 70. So what price did it bounce on? To the tick. 70. No shit, Sherlock, it actually bounced on the 70 at exactly the target price that we had for the measure move. Because it went 70 to 20 to 70. It's just the measure, guys. That's all it is. And it will bounce from that. Whether it goes short or not, I don't really care. It was $1,000 a contract, 4 contracts, $4,000. Pretty close to $4,000 anyway. You can see it there. So it's not like it's something we, as I said, when we talk about trades, we generally, as a rule, try and show the trade as well. And that's exactly how it's played out. Well, that buy was pretty good as well, wasn't it? What do you make of our buy trade, guys? Any good? It was a pretty good trade as well, wasn't it? Turned out okay. Oakley dokley. And again, we already know about this price because of what? Well, look at this tweet. Look at that tweet, guys, from 10 o'clock this morning when we talked about the 35.45. Did you see it? 35.45, triple M. Triple M, 35.45. There was a buy at 45. There was a buy at 35. And then we had a buy over here at 35.45. And we've made thousands and thousands of dollars just off that tweet alone, just that single tweet.